Where are we? Well, we're at the Ohio RV and Boat Show, but we are in the Knox Marine booth. That's knoxmarine-ltd.com if you want to check this out. But this is so, I love this. These sparkly boats is all I can say, but boy, do they draw attention. And when they're in the water, they just look like they're part of the water. This is such a cool design, I think. And the color actually changes as you're walking around them. But you can see all that's here at the Knox Marine booth. There's just so many. And every possible combination of whether you want a bimini cover, straight up windshield, flat fishing, because you'll see here, look at this right here, that deck on here, with some wells in there. It's just begging for you to be sitting there and casting a rod. Just, I tell you, and a nice trolling motor on here. And some of these boats, you look at the Vexus, these Vexus are really, I mean, they've got speed, they've got all types of custom groupings that you can get on, but really, I mean, this boat itself is set up to go as you get it. I mean, there's only so much you need to do with this, but the boats are in every shape and form here. So make sure that you stop in to Knox Marine here at the Ohio RV and Boat Show, or visit them at their website, and you'll find out as much as you can about Knox Marine, the boats they carry, and what they offer. Just feeling it, yes.